Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit USDT in Redotpay from Binance. First, log into your Redotpay account and go to the wallet section. Then select deposit. Choose USDT as the currency and pick the network, with TRC20 recommended for lower fees. Copy the wallet address provided and double check the network to make sure your funds won't be lost. Next, open the Binance app or website and go to wallet. Then, fiat and spot. Select USDT and select withdraw. Paste the Redotpay wallet address, select the same network you choose in Redotpay and enter the amount you want to send. After that, carefully refill the wallet address, network, and amount to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the withdrawal and complete any two-factor authentication or email verification required. Wait for the blockchain confirmation, which usually takes just a few minutes for TRC20. Finally, open your Redotpay wallet and check that the USDT balance has updated. If the funds don't appear after confirmation, contact Redotpay support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.